हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून एंड वेलकम टू bharatmatrimony.com। हम और तुम। आपने कभी सोचा है कि सही लाइफ पार्टनर मिल जाए तो एवरीथिंग मूव्स ऑन द राइट ट्रैक, कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए देन यू जस्ट लूज योर पीस ऑफ माइंड। सक्सेसफुल लोग, कामयाब कपल्स वो होते हैं जो अपने खिड़की के बाहर झांककर पड़ोसी के घर में सोल्यूशन नहीं ढूंढते, अपने अंदर झांककर अपने दिल से पूछते हैं भाई करे क्या। आज के हमारे मेहमान हैं कल हो न हो के सुपरहिट डायरेक्टर निखिल अडवाणी, who has put a new light on relationships in Indian cinema, and his beautiful wife Suparna, who works with NGOs such as Angan. Please welcome Nikhil Advani and Suparna. Hey. Hi. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Please sit. So, South Bombay brats हिंदी फिल्मों में आ गए, हिंदी बोलना भी नहीं आता ठीक से।
बिल्कुल नहीं। मैं तो फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बोल देता हूँ, but I don't think she can speak.
I would be very quiet.
हाँ,
I would be very silent.
नहीं बोल दीजिए जो बोलना है, टूटे फूटे हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में।
कोशिश
We want to
करेंगे।
hear your point of view as well. So you must tell us.
So speak something, say something.
Ask me a question, I'll try and answer.
Okay, I'll start with you.
Okay.
आपने actually in कल हो ना हो, I love the film and the most important thing I think you've done is आपने एक बहुत unconventional look लिया है relationships. You've made being dysfunctional in, you know. You've made it like it's okay यार, मैं भी पागल, तू भी पागल, ठीक है, सब पागल, you know, खुशी से रहो and love cures all kind of a thing. So how much of that is your own philosophy?
Actually क्या है कि बहुत लोगों ने जब खलौना पिक्चर देखी, उन्होंने सब कहा कि इट्स वेरी इरेवरेंट, बहुत ही इरेवरेंट पिक्चर है। आपने सब रिलेशनशिप्स को इरेवरेंटली ट्रीट किया है, डेथ को इरेवरेंटली ट्रीट किया है। तो आई रियली फील दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट people who know me, जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं उन सब कहते हैं कि I'm quite I'm bratty, rude, arrogant, everything. So I mean,
but मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा because I think it's so much a part of our lives and it's high time कि we stop pushing things under the carpet, you know.
वो सब नहीं,
इसमें शर्म की क्या बात है?
वो पैर छूना और वो सब भजन गाना और करवा चौथ वगैरह, वो मतलब करवा चौथ is a big thing in our lives, is a very big thing because usually करवा चौथ is the day when women don't eat, right?
Yeah.
And I remember Suparna, it was, I think we were married for the first time and it was Karwa Chauth or whatever, and that was the only day that she actually packed food and took, and I told her, do you know what today is? Today is Karwa Chauth. I'll eat double.
Okay. It's interesting आपने करवा चौथ की बात की। I mean I think it's okay, करवा चौथ जो करना चाहे you know कर लें, but the pressure that you're not a good wife अगर आप करवा चौथ नहीं करें, how is one supposed to deal with all those kind of things, you know, which is what
I think you should ask her this question.
The whole dilemma is,
I've not done Karwa Chauth ever in my 7 years of being married and never even considered it.
Yeah.
And I think I'm a very good wife.
So how would you describe a good wife? आपके ख्याल में आप क्या-क्या करते हैं that makes you a good wife?
पहली बात तो the शादी has to be fun. The whole process of being married, I think it's very important कि
you laugh a lot.
You know, we just have fun, we talk, and
whenever we have money, we travel. And we go out. We have a lot of friends. All our friends actually got married at the same time as us.
Okay.
So हम लोग, it's really like a question of being in friends, you know, because we go through the same experiences. We describe what our wives have been doing to each other, and so it's great time. We have a great time.
So there's a certain amount of freedom. तो पर आप किस हद तक ये freedom stretch करते हैं? Where do you draw the line?
Freedom तो हम लोग का decision होता है कि कितना freedom लें, कितना freedom दे तो
अपने to each other कितना देते हैं? For example, you know, supposing he's very busy, he's working. काम कर रहे हैं, आप घर आने को टाइम ही नहीं होता है।
You are trading on very slippery.
तो मैं फोन करती रहती हूँ। निखिल काफी पार्टी में अकेला जाता है।
हाँ, मैं मिल चुकी हूँ अकेले उनसे।
I mean, रात को 3 बजे 4 बजे आते हैं। I don't have a problem. Sometimes I worry. But otherwise I think we're totally. I think हम लोग
मतलब
एक दूसरे को जब trust है, then I don't think there's.
I think the extent of being the freedom is कि जब हम लोग ने नई शादी की थी और मैं कुछ होता है शूटिंग कर रहा था ऊटी में, and we shot 30 days. And I forgot to call out 30 days.
हाँ.
I would have killed him.
You know, I think मैं ऑफिस में इतनी बिजी थी, मैं इतनी बिजी थी कि I didn't realize.
Yeah.
पर जब वो वापस आया तो मेरी सास ने कहा इनफैक्ट कि एक बार भी उसको फोन नहीं किया. And then I was like,
तो वो तो
what nonsense is this?
उन्होंने फोन नहीं किया, पर आपको भी ख्याल है
नहीं,
फोन
नहीं.
करने का?
I tried a lot and
Okay.
you know,
But I was
वो
always
कमरे में नहीं
scripting.
था.
Yeah, but you're okay with that.
It hasn't happened. तब से एक बार भी ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. So it's seems to be okay.
And you're okay with giving her the same freedom and stuff like that?
Yeah, I'm very happy actually, because actually before we got married we went out. Actually we went out for six years before we got married. I mean we were college sweethearts for 6 years before we got married. So by the time we got married it was more क्या कहते अगला स्टेप था.
Yeah.
we were
सब
already
लोग
friends.
expect
तो
कर
आप
रहे थे
लोगों ने
कि
शादी क्यों की?
शादी की क्योंकि really I mean we wanted to take it to another level in the
Yeah.
sense, and but we were already friends. I mean we were she was very welcome in my house. I used to be completely welcome at the Choto Jamai or whatever in the Bengali household. So I was absolutely, I mean we were very good friends, and we just took it to another level, that's all. And the other reason why we got married is a big we won't talk about it.
No, please, you have to.
What do you mean?
नहीं वो nothing.
नहीं, please Nikhil, please.
No, nothing. It was because we wanted to actually live together, and
Yeah.
then our parents said, "नहीं, you must get married." Or so we said, "Okay, let's get married."
But आप दोनों unconventional thinkers, क्यों लगा कि even if the parents mind, आप साथ में रह नहीं सकते?
Actually, we didn't want to get into it because it's not that either of us had anything against marriage.
Yeah.
I'm the first one to tell people कि please jaldi शादी करो. It's the best thing. It's the greatest thing. So we weren't really against marriage at that point. We just thought there's no need to get married.
We both had started working. We had passed out of college. We both had started working. So I mean this thing कि you know, toothbrush in your house, toothbrush in my house,
Yeah.
why this thing? So we got married.
Okay. And with your elders' blessings and everything.
Completely.
There was no.
There were a few strange things. I'm an atheist.
Yeah.
तो जब ceremony plan हो रहा था तो I told Nikhil, look, there's certain things कि I don't want in the ceremony. कन्यादान, this should not be mentioned. जात नहीं पूछा, you know, it should not be asked and whatever. Everything was asked.
हाँ,
So in
because that
all
is part of the ceremony.
And I was sweating like
So
a
in
maniac.
all the wedding, and Nikhil had told me कि हाँ कुछ नहीं पूछेंगे. I briefed the priest and all. In all our wedding photos, I'm like.
Because you were pissed off.
Yeah. Because I was like, ये क्या हो गया?
Yeah.
But
तो आपको पता था ये सब होने वाला है, but you just hated from
नहीं, मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था.
हाँ.
मैंने वो आर्य समाज प्रीस्ट को कहा था कि देखिए आपका सबसे शॉर्ट जो सेरेमनी
हाँ, वो
होता है
20 मिनट का
वो कितना होता है.
short का ceremony
हाँ, तो
करते हैं,
इसे
हाँ,
20 मिनट ऐसे वो 20 मिनट को आपको 15 मिनट करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि उसमें ये 3 चीज़ आप कह नहीं सकते. इसका अगर जिक्र भी हुआ तो वो जो है दुल्हन वो उठ के चली जाएगी. तो
निखिल अडवाणी सुपरहिट डायरेक्टर तो है ही कि आप जानते हैं उन्होंने एक्टिंग भी की है और आपने एक्टिंग ऐसी की कि यू इन्वॉल्व सुपर्णा इन इट एज वेल. सो टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
हाउ डिड आई इन्वॉल्व सुपर्णा वाज एक्चुअली क्या था, हम लोग मॉरिशस में शूटिंग कर रहे थे. कुछ होता है कि नीलम शो के लिए. और करण ने एक सीन लिखा जिसमें 2 लोग एक नीलम सारे स्पेक्टेटर्स को कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही है. whatever. So then we had just got married and I had been shooting non-stop for कुछ होता है. तो मैंने करण को जाके बोला कि देखो यार, I can't find one good decent person to give these lines. तो मैं कर लेता हूँ. तो मैंने कर लिया. वो सुपर्णा मुझे फ़ोन मत करना, मुझे कोई और मिल गई है. और मैंने कर लिया. फिर उसके बाद वो तो अप्रैल में था. मई, जून, जुलाई जब एडिटिंग ख़त्म हो गई, सितंबर हो गया था. तब मैंने देखा था ऐसे, यार मैंने अभी तक सुपर्णा को इसके बारे में बताया नहीं है. तो व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि मैंने उसे लिबर्टी, आई टुक हर टू लिबर्टी and the entire theater was empty and I was just checking the print, so I just took it, made it look very cool.
Yeah.
और उसे पिक्चर दिखा दिया मैंने कुछ होता है. और द पॉइंट बीइंग दैट इफ शी हैड टू हिट मी एट दैट टाइम
तो कोई देखता
हाँ
नहीं,
कोई देखता
आपकी इज्जत बच जाती।
बिल्कुल।
तो उसके बाद एक्टिंग का कीड़ा नहीं लग गया?
बिल्कुल नहीं। मैंने किया क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मुझे कोई और मिल नहीं रहा था उस मॉरिशस के क्राउड में, वो दो लाइन कहने के लिए, ठीक से कहने के लिए, बिकॉज वी वर वेरी टायर्ड बाय दैट टाइम, रात हो चुकी थी, वी हैड टू पैक अप एंड लीव, ऐसे मैं कर लेता। इसलिए अगर आप वो क्लिप देखेंगे तो मैं एक्चुअली फुल असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर के गाँव में हूँ, कैप इज देयर, शॉर्ट्स, unshaven for last 3-4 days. So I just went, gave this thing, and I pulled Farah into the scene. And we had a ball. Actually, what she was really upset was कि वो सुपर्णा मुझे फोन मत करना है, मुझे कोई और मिल गए कहने के बाद नीलम turns around and says, poor Suparna.
Which I only noticed 3 or 4 times after I saw the film. But I remember the first time, in fact, I was introduced to Shah Rukh Khan. I was introduced, hello, this is Suparna, and he turned to me and said, oh, hello, Suparna, mujhe phone mat karna. I had no clue what he was talking about, but I didn't want to say what do you mean? So I was like, and I went to it. And then suddenly it all fell into place.
आपने शाहरुख को कास्ट किया like an angel in your film. How much do you believe in that kind of thing, and how much does it affect your life? Do you believe कि हर thought जो आपकी जाती है बाहर, it connects with something else?
नहीं, actually मेरी जो परिवार है, they are completely they do every single puja in the world.
Okay.
हर पूजा होता है. सत्यनारायण, Monday is fast, Tuesday fast, Thursday fast, Saturday fast, they do everything. Ganpati, Lakshmi Puja, Navratri, everything we do. So I've grown up in that atmosphere, and then actually when I went to Xavier's, then you actually start questioning all those things. And I can safely say it's very convenient. When I want to think about God, I think about God. When I don't want to think about God, I say that I don't believe in God. So it's very convenient. I have a very convenient relationship with God.
And with people.
With people, no, I like people.
You like people.
And I trust people a hell of a lot.
Yeah, a bit too much actually.
Yeah.
But somewhere, actually, Nikhil is a great example of someone where, I mean, of something where you realize that goodness pays off sometimes, you know.
But that वो आपकी फिल्म में बहुत evident है, because it's ultimately, if आप अंदर झांक के you bring out all that is good and loving, you can make the world move, you know.
कभी I'm like, you know, I'm like one of those wives. I feel like मैं बोलती हूँ, can't you be a little more चालू, and you know, don't listen, don't believe this person when they tell you this. And he's not like that at all.
तो आपको कब लगता है कि लोग चालू हैं और निखिल is not catching on?
अरे वाह.
I don't know what example to give. But sometimes, you know, there are people who, you know, can use somebody who's not, who lets them and whatever. So.
गहरी बात कही आपने. What is your mantra, you think, of a successful relationship? एक successful marriage, successful relationship होने के लिए most important ingredient क्या होती है?
I'll say a very cliched thing. I think दोस्ती.
दोस्ती.
Because I know it's a.
प्यार दोस्ती है.
I don't know. I just think it's important to be friends, and apart from, you know, being husband and wife and support and whatever to each other, just friends.
Just दोस्ती. And एक दूसरे को secrets बोलना you think ज़रूरी है?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
क्यों?
नहीं, क्योंकि क्या है, कभी-कभी हाँ, मतलब I can't with Suparna I can't lie, because I start lying and she'll say, I know you're lying.
Yeah.
That's why you lie. You know, you do this thing.
Yeah.
You do this one thing that I know you're lying. So, but मुझे लगता है कि कुछ चीज़ you should not be. It's not important to be very completely honest. Let's put it. Especially if it's going to irritate and hurt and whatever. So I mean, and then she finds out, and then she says, why the hell did you lie? So then वो सब.
No, timing is everything. But like जब वो shooting कर रहा है or something, I don't want to, you know, get him stressed or something. I'll save it up and maybe tell him later.
That scene was horrible. Why did you do that scene?
So you think it's better to keep that aside, find some other friends, or find a shrink?
Yeah, I think we have enough other friends.
No, but if it is to do with very serious matters and all, then then we are always there for each other.
कुछ you know लोग होते हैं जो एक दूसरे को बोलते हैं, यार I find that guy hot, अपने husband को बोल रहे हैं, and the husband is pretending that he's very cool and you know with it and कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, but अंदर से वो जल के राख हो रहा है, you know, kind of a thing.
I think we're terrible. We really don't mind.
No?
No, actually.
I really don't.
One of my, yeah, no, not at all. One of my best friends is actually Suparna's ex-boyfriend. So.
Okay.
But they were in 7th standard.
That's okay.
Not counted at all.
चलिए अपने दर्शकों को दिखाते हैं some beautiful moments from your life. Take a look. मैं तेरा husband, तू मेरी wife. हमारे इस शो में हम और तुम में हम एक छोटा सा क्विज खेलते हैं जहाँ हम देखते हैं वी कॉल इट द लव क्वोशंट क्विज टू फाइंड आउट आप एक दूसरे के बारे में छोटी छोटी बातें कितना जानते हैं, कितना याद रखते हैं.
मैं आपको इस क्विज के पहले आपको एक बात बता दूं कि जो कुंडली होती है ना, तो जब आप कुंडली मैच कर रहे थे हमारे पे, आई डोंट नो, वी डोंट इवन हैव कुंडलीज, बट माय ब्रदर हैज अ कुंडली. ही जस्ट रिसेंटली गॉट मैरिड एंड ही गॉट 32 out of 32. And we actually keep saying we'll get 2 out of 32.
हाँ, हम लोग तो पक्का फेल
तो अब
होते.
तक देखा ही नहीं है.
बिल्कुल नहीं देखा है. तो you can try. Best of luck.
नहीं ये हॉट स्टार्स के ऊपर नहीं है, ये आपकी जनरल नॉलेज अबाउट ईच अदर के ऊपर.
बिल्कुल.
So we'll give it a try.
Correct.
It's quiz time, folks. निखिल आपकी बारी फर्स्ट. ओके. सुपर्णा जिस एनजीओ से जुड़ी है उसकी कोर एक्टिविटीज क्या है?
उसकी कोर एक्टिविटीज़ क्या है? एक्चुअली एडवोकेसी एंड एजुकेशन, राइट? मतलब एडवोकेसी बेसिकली एडवोकेसी.
अच्छा, चैरिटी का, विल मेक इट इजियर फॉर यू. चैरिटी का नाम क्या है? एनजीओ का नाम क्या है?
आंगन.
ओके, वेल डन. रिसेंटली सुपर्णा की एनजीओ ने चैरिटी ऑक्शन मुंबई के किस फेमस नाइट स्पॉट में किया था? ऑलिव. क्वेश्चन खत्म भी नहीं. फार्मास्यूटिकल से एसोसिएटेड होने के साथ साथ सुपर्णा के फादर और क्या करते हैं?
He is a professor in Jamnalal Bajaj और guest lecturer in Jamnalal Bajaj and NMIMS.
करेक्ट. सुपर्णा को आप पर कौन सा कलर सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है?
Red, correct? You better say correct, yeah?
No.
So what is the color you like more?
I think I like white.
White. आपकी किस हैबिट या ट्रेट से सुपर्णा को सबसे ज्यादा इरिटेशन होता है?
Lying.
Lying. Do you think men are compulsive liars?
I want to change. That's a wrong answer because compulsive TV watching.
अच्छा.
Remote control की बीमारी.
Okay.
Just like.
Okay. So 3 out of 5.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Too good. Now your turn. Okay. Nikhil was all set to go to the US for further studies. आपको याद है किस यूनिवर्सिटी का एंट्रेंस टेस्ट उन्होंने पास किया था?
No.
Okay, हाँ. Next.
नहीं. हाँ, very bad. कोलोराडो. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
निखिल फिल्म मेकिंग में अपना गुरु किससे मानते हैं?
I don't know. Sudhir Mishra, Saeed Mirza.
सुधीर.
Sudhir.
Correct.
निखिल का नया ऑफिस बांद्रा की कौन सी बिल्डिंग में है?
Sesame Cottage.
That was quick. निखिल की मॉम की एड एजेंसी का नाम क्या है?
No idea.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm failing. I don't know.
लियोनारा. ओके. कल होना हो को कितने जी सिने अवार्ड्स मिले?
I hope a few. 4, 5.
4. Correct.
Well done. So you're
2 out of 5. 3 out of 5.
Yeah, you
I'm
actually,
very
this is the
competitive.
first time that the husband has scored more points than
I am
the wife.
very competitive. I'm very upset I didn't get the other 2.
I demand my questions are reframed.
Since you scored more, आपने क्विज में हायर पॉइंट स्कोर किया. मैं आपको गिफ्ट पहला देती हूँ, पर आपके लिए भी गिफ्ट है. So
Consolation prize.
consolation prize. Yeah,
Calvin,
you get the consolation prize.
I hope there's only white.
That is great. मेरी बात मानिए, शादी कर ही डालिए. Just simply log on to www.bharatmatrimony.com. इस पे आप ही की भलाई है.
Hello bharatmatrimony.com, हम और तुम. First of all, thank you very much for gifting me my wife Nikita.
मैं चेतन से मस्ती में ही bharatmatrimony.com पे मिली. मैंने मस्ती में bharatmatrimony.com पे लॉग ऑन किया और अचानक एक दिन चेतन का मुझे ईमेल आया और मैंने उसका रिप्लाई दिया. ऐसे ही होते होते हम दोनों की शहनाई बजने लगी. bharatmatrimony.com इज ड्रीम कमिंग ट्रू. यहाँ पे आके आपका सपना साकार होता है. यू गेट एग्जैक्ट लाइफ पार्टनर एंड अ बेटर हाफ which you must have not thought of also. So please log on to bharatmatrimony.com for your better half.
That was a lovely couple. Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you, Suparna, for coming on our show. बहुत मज़ा आया. May you keep laughing and keep making wonderful films and keep doing wonderful things.